Hi guys, today we talk about how can you enable or open browse news on browse notifications on your Webull app. We go to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on menu down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on general here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, come here to open use in browse, just clicking this sign or this color. Like you see, color it's gone. That's mean open use in browse, it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.